This is a video of a LED light show meteor or fireworks light on a stand. It's 2.7 meters tall, and it does come with an app that you can use. Otherwise, there is, I'll go down there, you'll see there is a controller, but you don't necessarily even need that. Here we have a button that you can press to get the various colours that you want. So I've just got that on one of the settings at the moment, and that's like a multicolour flashing. So it comes with a good solid stand, and I think there's 21 arms. I've just assembled this, and the stand, there's instructions. The stand is metal, and then it has two LED like strip lights, tube lights going down, which radiate light up to the actual fireworks light itself. So that's on one setting there. I'll just switch it to the next one. You can see there it's sort of just changing colours. So it's an RGB, very colourful. I mean, I'm not in full nighttime mode here at the moment, but you can see the effect that it's giving. I'll go to the next one. Then you can just get individual colours if you want. You'll see it just changes, flashes through. And that's a quicker change. That's just like a fast flash mode. I like the RGB one the best. So there's like an exploding fireworks light there. So you got a choice of ones, which one you want to set it on. It's got a memory, so it'll stay on that. The code is XL1408. It's now available on our website in store. So that just does the individual colours. Then we've got flash on and off. Then we're going back to an RGB effect. That's just radiating out the various colours. So you can see the light does run up the pole. So you just have to find whichever setting you think might be the nicest. That's a pretty cool one there, but it does switch off so you don't have constant light. So each of those tubes screw into a sphere head. You have two steel rods that just screw together, and the base comes in two separate parts as well. They just take 4 bolts. So there it's got the RGB effect again. Fairly sturdy arms, which are good. So if I get in closer there, you'll see how they just screw on. The head locks on with a pin there. You just press that in and the head will come off. So that's about it. Thanks for viewing.